What is up, guys? Okay, so today we are going to be working on some anatomy homework. Let's get to it. Okay, so this first one is going to be on labeling the components of the digestive system. Okay, let's do this. Stomach, salivary glands. It's actually one salivary gland if you think about it. That should be. Oh, these are the major subdivisions of the digestive tract, and these are just accessory guys. It's the liver. That should be the pharynx. Large intestine. Whoa, looks like I made a mistake there. That should be the gallbladder. It's pointing at the gallbladder. That little small thing right there. That's the pancreas. This one right here is pointing at the stomach. Where's the small intestine? And this is the esophagus. Should be right. Yep. Okay, next question. It's more on the histology part of the digestive tract. Okay, let's do this. Okay, now I'm not perfect on this on the histology, so I might be making some mistakes, but don't worry, I shouldn't take too long on this question. Okay, let's go. Let's get it. That should be the circular folds. I know the serosa is the layer that's most on the outside, and then on the inside there's the muscular layer. You can tell it's the muscular layer because it's more on the red portion of the tract, and it's usually before you reach the serosa. It has two arrows, so it's the circular and longitudinal muscles are there. And the mucosa is going to be the most inner part. Submucosa should be the second layer, which is the purplish stuff in between. And then there's the mesentery tissue that makes up the outside. That should be right. Correct. On to the salivary glands. Identifying the major salivary glands now. That should be the parotid gland. Should be the submandibular gland. It should be the sublingual gland because it's right under the tongue. There's the tongue. Oh, put the wrong one. Okay, that should be I think that's the submandibular duct. Oh, the parotid duct. What is that? I didn't really know we really need to know much about the ducts, but I'm going to do my best. We'll see how this goes. Opening of the sublingual duct. I think this might be the left side over there. Let's see. Oh, 3 of 7 of them were incorrect. Weird, I thought it would have come that. So just 3, so it's probably one of the ducts I mixed up. I'm for sure that's a parotid duct. It's connected right next to the parotid gland. Maybe the submandibular. That looks more on the tongue area. That might be that one. Yep. Guess that's the left side. Submandibular duct. Okay. I didn't really know much about the ducts, so this is a good learning experience for everyone. Okay, so which muscle is responsible for pushing the bolus towards the esophagus? Shouldn't be that. Oh. This one? Pharyngeal constrictors. So these are some good practice problems if you guys didn't know some of these information. Which of the following answers could correctly list the phases of swallowing process before the bolus enters the stomach? Goes more on the cheek, then the pharynx, then the esophagus should be last. Yep. Okay, the parts of the stomach. The layers and anatomical features of the stomach. Should be the fundus. There should be the cardia. I believe this is the body right there. Rugae, more of the muscles. There's the lesser curvature and the greater curvature. There's a longitudinal muscle layer. The pylorus entering the duodenum with the pyloric sphincter somewhere there. Oh, and the pyloric sphincter. Probably the pyloric sphincter and the pylorus. It's probably more over. That should be the pylorus. Rugae. Circular muscle layer. Let's see how this goes. 3 of them are incorrect. Probably one of the muscles, I feel like. Longitudinal, circular. Maybe I mixed them up. That's one of them. Maybe this is the greater curvature and this is the longitudinal muscle layer. Let's see. Nope, that was correct. is the pylorus and the pyloric sphincter? Nope. This is a tough one. What do you got? There's only two things that aren't right. What could they be? Cardia, fundus, longitudinal. Oh, that's the longitudinal muscle. The body is over here. Circular is over there. That's the body. Okay. The stomach or the gastric, and there's the rugae, greater curvature, pylorus, pyloric sphincter. So the mistake I made was the body is this part, and the longitudinal muscle layer is this part. Not. Okay, that makes sense. Gallbladder and bile duct parts. Wow, this is intense. Okay, let's see how this goes. Okay, I labeled 3 of them incorrectly. Which one is it? It's probably one of the ducks. Maybe it's switch the left and the right. Nope, that was correct. Here's the cystic and the bile duct. Nope, that was also correct. Here's the cystic duct and the common hepatic duct. Nope, that was also correct. Here's the common hepatic duct and the bile duct. Okay, that was a fix right there. Maybe body and fundus are mixed up here. Let's see. Okay, so this is the right stuff. Right hepatic duct, left hepatic duct, and the gallbladder has the fundus on the outside, the body, and the neck area. That's the bile duct, common hepatic artery, hepatic portal vein, and the common hepatic duct. Okay, made some mistakes there. Yeah, I didn't really cover much of the liver in that figure. Okay, that's as far as I'm going to go today. We didn't really cover much of this liver chapter yet. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.